This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Barry Taylor. Fresh. You will appreciate the work that the owners have put into this property. Recent paint and flooring throughout, newer light fixtures and blinds too. Nice open floor plan with vaulted ceilings. Eat-in kitchen with charming bay windows. Master suite with updates in the bathroom and nice walk-in closet. Huge fenced backyard. All this in a 2-car garage that's hard to find in this price range. For more information, review the details below or contact Barry Taylor at 321-795-7074.